Stress affects people in different ways, and it can be challenging to manage. Yoga is a great way to ease anxiety, boost relaxation, and improve mental clarity. Practicing yoga can help to decrease cortisol stress hormone levels and trigger the parasympathetic nervous system to promote relaxation. Sun salutation or Surya Namaskar is a series of postures designed to stretch, tone, and invigorate the body. It combines rhythmic breathing with a sequence of movements that can help to reduce tension and stress. Surya Namaskar also helps to awaken the mind, improve circulation, and promote overall well-being. Child's pose or balasana is a gentle resting pose that can help to reduce stress, anxiety, and fatigue. It provides a sense of safety and comfort, and it's an excellent posture to restore the connection between the breath, the body, and the mind. Balasana also stretches the spine, hips, thighs, and ankles. Corpse pose or savasana is a posture of total relaxation and surrender. It is a vital component of any yoga practice as it allows the body to rest and rejuvenate. Savasana promotes inner calm, reduces tension, and restores energy levels. It helps to alleviate physical and mental fatigue, improve concentration, and foster a sense of inner peace. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.